Hi guys, Alvaro here. I hope this video finds you well, and in this video I want to show you how to get your Leadsleap pages mobile optimized. Now, Leadsleap does a pretty good job actually on optimizing your pages so they can be seen properly on places like an iPad or a mobile device. However, some instances you might notice that the pages appear very small on a mobile device. I'm gonna show you an example, which is this one. I created a page the other day. As you can see, I did a fancy car with an opting, and here at the bottom is all empty. It doesn't look quite right. I mean, it's being optimized, so it looks okay, but it's not perfect. I want it to be nice, because at the end of the day, if that can help to convert more leads and capture more leads into your email list, then it's worth the effort. So having said that, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like if I look at the same page on my PC that I'm working from now. I'm going to click on the link, and this is basically the page. As you can see, it looks fine, but it doesn't on a mobile. Alright, so what we need to do basically to change that is we need to create another version of the same page. Okay, that way every time someone accesses your page, the system will automatically direct your visitor to the page that is optimized for his or her device. In other words, let's say you send a link to your mailing list or prospect someone. If they access the link through their computer, through their PC or their Mac, they will be able to see it perfectly. But if they access it through a mobile device, they will be able to see it perfectly as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we do that. What we need to do basically is we're gonna let me see if I'm moving something here. Hold on a second. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go to my Leadsleap, and this is a particular page. So the first thing we need to do is duplicate the page that we want to optimize on mobile. To do that, we're gonna click on code, and then we need to highlight this code, and we can do either Ctrl+C, or we can right hand click and copy. Once it's copied, the next step is to click on this plus sign, which will allow us to duplicate the page. So we go to the second section here on the right that says import using a shared code. You're gonna copy, you're gonna simply paste it, click on import now. Now what the system is doing now is basically duplicating the page you've seen on the PC. I'm gonna search for the page. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so now we've got two pages. The first one is the one that already existed. It shows as PC. As you can see, it is crosses mobile. Now the second page, which you can see here, this is a brand new page we've duplicated. So all we need to do is we need to come here and click on change, and then we need to click on change again, so the PC section is crossed and it only shows mobile. This is a page that we want to change in order to be able to see it properly on a mobile device. So next step, basically we go up here, we click on launch editor, and with this particular page we're gonna have to do a change, because the car, as you can see here, the image is horizontal, and on a mobile we want the image to be vertical. So luckily I already have a picture that I used yesterday. So what we're gonna do once we are inside the editor, first of all we want to check on the full preview to see where we are. As you can see on the top right hand corner, you can see desktop, that's the view. You can click to see what it will look like on a tablet, and what we're interested in, mobile. And as you can see, it's the same I showed you before. So we're gonna go back here, and the first thing we want to do is we want to change the picture. So I'm gonna click on background, I'm gonna click inside the image, and it will open up this square here where the image URL is. I'm gonna click inside, and it will open up my hosting where the images are hosted actually. And as you can see, if you needed an image, you will click on upload, and you will go and find it in your PC or wherever you have the image that you want to add. In my case, I already uploaded the image, so I'm just gonna click on it. I'm gonna leave it as center default. Let me see if I click on show this one. I'm gonna leave it as here. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure what the best is, but I'm gonna leave it here. Now what I need to do is we need to come here where the orange lines are. I don't know if you can see them here. Okay. For some reason I can't see it. Let me see. I'm looking for a double orange little line at the bottom. I don't seem to see it. Where is it? Hold on. This is what happens when you do something live. You might come across a problem. Hey, but that's what we're here for, to solve them. Okay, let's see if I can put that up. Okay, where are you now? Where did you go? Where did you actually go? Oh, here it is. Finally, sorry guys. You see the line? Okay, so we're gonna go down. Just gonna open it down. Now it might not be perfect what I'm doing, okay? But I just want to show you the basics of what you need to do so you can go ahead and do it yourself. Because I don't really want to make the video too long where you get bored, alright? Just want to keep it hopefully under 10 minutes, although time is running out. Anyway, so okay, you get an idea. We just keep moving this down because this is a vertical image. Now we're gonna click on the image, and we're gonna find this little, I don't know if you can see this little square here, and now we can scroll it down. All right. Do it again. Okay, I want to see how I'm doing, so I'm gonna click on full preview. Again, it will open up on another page. Again, we go to mobile. Okay, that looks fine at the moment. I mean, to be honest, I will keep on scrolling down until this white bit disappears, it becomes black. But for the sake of making the video shorter, I'm just gonna leave it up there, and I'm gonna go to change the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna go up here. Now what I want to do is I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click on this little arrow. I want to close these backlogs because I want everything to move. I'm not gonna do this. I want everything to move at the same time. You will know what I mean in a second. Okay. Now, as you can see, it comes with a green border. What that means is that I can move everything as one block rather than moving one by one. Okay, so I'm gonna keep moving it. I'll put it a little bit more towards here. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So see how would that work. Can I make this bigger, for example? Click on text font size. Okay, so I'm gonna make it far bigger, far bigger. I'll click here and extend it. Actually I've just clicked on the padlock, so it allows me to extend it. I'm gonna come here again, it opens up this. Okay, if you are getting confused, don't worry too much. You just have to play with it, right, to get the hang of it. Okay. And now I'm gonna make this bigger as well. If it lets me. Probably won't let me do it, so I'm gonna take the padlocks out. Anyway, I'm gonna make it bigger. And make this one bigger too. Gonna center it. Okay. And then I'm gonna come here and also I'm gonna make it big, obviously, so it looks the part. Way too big, anyway. Okay, well, you get it. It's not perfect, right? It's not perfect, but guys, take your time to make it look right. So I want to go to full preview again and to see if there's any changes, if it looks better. Mobile looks a little bit better. It's not perfect, so I'm gonna try and make it much bigger. So quickly come back here. Just gonna make it bigger, and that's it. Sorry guys, I'm not talking. I didn't lose my voice. I'm simply concentrated on the job. Okay, so here we're gonna make this. The text, we're gonna make it bigger as well. So I'm gonna move here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and then we're gonna go back to full preview. Mobile. Okay, you can see it looks a little bit better. I have to change this. I'm gonna make the last change really, so not to make this video so long. So I'm gonna put this one here, this one here. Okay, so that will do. So I'm gonna click on save. All right. And then I want you to take a look here. I'm going to show you. This is the page. I'm going to refresh. And this is what it looks now. I'm sure you will agree. It looks much better. That's it really. Here, obviously, what will happen when people visit this link, it will be optimized now on mobile, so they can see it like this, or they'll see it in the desktop perfectly. Okay guys, See you next time. Bye bye.